What's up, you guys? Leona here. As promised, I'm going to be doing on this video the eye look that I had on my second video, which is a traditional smoky eye. So a lot of ladies love the traditional smoky eye, and it's very sultry. It's just really, really nice. It's really a showstopper. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I create it. I'm actually going to be showing you with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is her original palette, utilizing, I could just open it and we don't have to worry about that glare. Bossy, Suede, and Black Truffle. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First, prep. This is not the concealer that I use for my eyes. Somehow I misplaced the one that I normally use. Anyway, I am going to go with the second best, which is the Shapetape concealer by Tarte Cosmetics. All right, and then this one is Fair Neutral. And I'm just going to do a couple of dots to prep your eyelid. You normally use this is really, really light, but it'll work. It serves as a primer, it serves as a foundation for your eyeshadow, and it'll last a lot longer on. Make sure to keep your lid nice and closed while you are spreading and blending the concealer. The Beauty Blender, and I am going to just continue bouncing it off or dabbing it off of my lid so I can make sure it's nice and blended and absorbed. I'm going to get tape on. And it actually works fantastic as a guide if you are not too much into applying eyeshadow. It will work great so that you know you can stay within these boundaries, and try to take it as close to the tip of your eyebrows and make sure that it is even with both sides of your eyes, that you are particularly happy with it, right? I'm going to grab a little flat brush here since I had already applied the concealer, and I'm going to grab By, which is a very nice, pretty much just like a base color, and I'm going to put that on top so that it can just go ahead and set my concealer nicely. Going with some Bossy, and we are going to take this to right above your crease, which is your transition, and you are going to begin to go in smaller circular motions towards the inside of your, as you know, we have that little pocket there, that little sunk in your eye. Let the blender follow that. We're gonna pick up that Suede, this really nice pewter grayish looking color, okay, and we're gonna take that right to the crease, that if you open your eye, your brush does not leave that crease. What you want to do is blend. You want to create definition in that crease, but you still want it to be blended definition. Now here you might feel like you're going to have to camp out for a little bit. And you're right. You are going to have to camp out a little bit because it's a smoky eye. And what you're doing is you're creating this ombre effect. So in order for that ombre effect to come to life, you're going to be building on it. If you go in all at once, the smoky eye just does not happen. I'm going to go ahead and use my Bare Escentuals flat brush, and I'm going to pick up this Black Truffle, okay? So here, you can pick up as much product as you'd like, okay? Careful not to go too wild because you don't want any fallout. Nice and generous black, and I know you might want to rub it on your eye. Don't. Just dab it. Concentrate on the lid of your eye. Stay right there. Now that you have added a good amount of pigment to your eye, now I like to take my flat brush and gently rub towards my crease. There's a method to my There's a method to my madness. And that is that as I take it closer to my crease, I can go grab a blender brush, and with already the product that's there, I can create my smoky effect. With my 785 blender brush, I will then concentrate on the lower portion of my crease and begin to blend that black truffle that I took towards my crease so that I can begin to create my smoky eye. You may not think that you're doing anything, but you are, so just stay patient. But blending is key. See how it's slowly coming to life? With this blender brush, I'm going to grab some Suede and I'm going to take it to my crease. Here is where I toggle with colors, making sure that my ombre effect is still there, making sure that my colors aren't forgotten. With the fluffy brush that I originally did Bossy, I'm going to go ahead and grab some more and make sure to bring my Bossy. Here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take off the tape. I am going to begin to blend. The 785 blender that I was using, Black Truffle, the darker, I'm going to grab that a little bit, okay? And I'm going to take it to the side of my smoky eye. What Beauty Blender does is just soften that line so you can be able to hide it, conceal it. The other brush that I used, my fluffy brush, I'm going to grab Bossy and I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to begin to just slowly blend it into the already existing smoky eye. And then bring it down also. With these smaller brushes that I have here, this is more of a precision pointer brush. I'm going to use this with my Black Truffle. It's also by Morphe. To go to my lower lid here. You don't have to do anything just yet with that. Just go ahead and apply it. Now, with your smudger, I'm going to grab Suede, which was that gray color, and I'm going to put it right underneath Black Truffle to start creating that blending smudge effect. And that's what you do on your lower lid. You do smudge. There you kind of rub or whatever. No dabbing. It might not take. So you can rub. Do it lightly though so that you don't pull on your skin. It's really soft tissue. Now with this larger, more tapered blender, I'm going to go in with that pretty Bossy, that nice pinkish. And I'm going to take it and slowly pass it underneath the Suede and the Black Truffle. Now, to seal the deal, let's do a little shimmering swan by Pretty Vulgar. Let's do the same thing on this side. So this is it, you guys. If you really liked it, give me that thumbs up. If you really liked it, subscribe. And if you really like it, maybe share my name out there. Let people know that Leona is here trying to share her beauty tips. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop yapping. So like I said, I really hope you like the looks. Traditional smoky eye heading your way a la Leona. That's it for now. Leona's done. It's shutting down. Peace.